Hi YouTube, hi everyone. So listen, I've just made some more and I'm gonna share them with you. So I've only got a few left now and I started with 50. This is how much fun I'm having. So I've used Podge to stick some of them down now. I've got several different ones. I just finished doing that, so I don't want to lift it. That's just designer paper. Then this is another one of these. That's just gold paper gold card, and I've used the trim. With Mod Podge Dimensional Magic to go around and stick that into place, the rhinestone chain. Then I've got this one. I'm just trying them out, you see. That's glitter cardstock. Glitter foam sheet. Then I got this one because these were on my desk, so I just use them. Pink foam glitter. This one, red metallic cardstock glitter there as well. And plain blue one, well, blue mirror cardstock. And another one of these, but the other side of the washi tape. And what else did I do just now? I made some more of these. Or maybe these are the ones. That's new. Those are the ones that I did previous with the holographic wrapping. Yeah. And then this one, holographic wrapping, not so nice. And this one, washi tape. And then I made these just now. So just stuck them down with dimensional magic. I don't want to move them too much because I just made these. Here's some new polishes. This one. Can't really see the name. And this one, but this one was the worst one. Didn't work so well. So I won't use that again. And so the only ones I've completed with the rhinestone chain is this one, my first one, from my first or second video, and this one. So let me see if I can lift this one because I just made this one now. Old fashioned, gorgeous designer paper. Yes, yeah, so it's so much fun, but the thing is, these are gonna run out soon, so I'll have to order some more, but of course they take a long time to arrive. I want to try, oh look, I wanted to show you something. See this? Clear polish. Well, see that red bleeding on the brush? That is from here. So I made sort of like this sticker thing. I thought I could do the unicorn, but I used this as my glue base. And the acetone took the red shiny paint off the mirror cardstock. Look, it's supposed to be like this. And then it's left me with the silver and red. And that's what the bleed is on the end of the brush there, the red. Can you see it just down there? Acetone's very strong and it comes off and removes colour. So give me a thumbs up if you like this, subscribe to my channel, try something new yourself, have fun, stay safe and take care. Bye.